jumpers, Crossrope athlete Jenica here, back to talk about another body weight exercise that you will see in the Crossrope app workouts. We're going to talk about the side to side squat today, just like your regular body weight squat, except we are going from side to side. If you think this one is too easy, then you're doing it wrong. It should burn. So you want to get into your squat position, just like the regular body weight squat. We've got good posture. We've got our core pulled in tight. We are standing up tall, chest up, shoulders back, but not locked up. We're nice and loose, good posture. Looking out straight ahead. We've got our feet about shoulder width apart, maybe a little wider, and that slight angle of our toes, which our knees are going to stay in line with. So our knees are tracking over our feet in that nice straight line. And we are going to squat on down, and then we are going to step to the other side. So we are squatting and stepping to the side. You can get a little bit lower when you get to the side, and stay low the whole time to get that nice side to side squat burn. Now, if that is too intense for you, you could come up at each side, step across to the other side, squat back down, stand up, step to the side. Squat, stand, step as a modifier for your side to side squat. And if you are doing that, you still want to think about your good squat form with that good posture, chest up, weight in the booty, weight in the heels. We're not leaning forward on our squat. So we are squatting down and step into the side, step into the side. Again, you can give an extra little pump, get a little lower there, but you should be parallel to the floor or lower the whole time you're doing those side to side squats, unless you need to do that modifier. Take a little pressure off the knees, stand up in between, step to the side, squat down, step to the side, squat down. Remember, when you step to the side, that you should still have your feet about shoulder width apart when you go into that squat. Up, squeeze those glutes, step to the side, squat, squeeze, step over, or get on down with me and stay here. It's a great burn from your side to side squat. And if you would like to up the intensity of your side to side squat, you can always hold something heavy. Whether it's a slam ball or a medicine ball or a kettlebell or a jug of water, whatever you've got, grab something heavy, hold it up by your chest, and squat down, side to side squats. Adding a little bonus work in there with some extra weight. Whoo-wee! That ups the intensity big time. So there is your side to side squat. Happy jumping.